Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista and I'm a stay-at-home mom to 2 little boys in Georgia. Today's video is a speed clean with me. I'm sorry if you can hear the boys in the background. I'm currently doing my voiceover during the day and they're in here playing, and Jared's currently trying to make me laugh. But we're going to get started in the living room today. The boys had completely destroyed the living room with all their toys, so it was definitely needed. What are you doing? I'm sorry. There's no way I'm going to be able to do this voiceover without you hearing me laugh or hearing the boys. So I had to wash Jared's masks for work this night, so all I do is get some hot water and some laundry detergent and wash them by hand, and then I let them soak in there while I do the dishes, and then I'll hang them up to dry.
I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet, being to myself and sit in silence, until I got a call. My friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark, with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we dancing in the dark, we were dancing in the dark. Whoa, oh, 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 every morning after feels the same. I know I only have myself to blame for drinking way too much. I guess I got caught up. Can someone make this headache go away? We were dancing in the dark, with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our hearts. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, oh.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the near.
So now that I have the dishes done and the masks up to dry, I am just going to clean it out a little bit more with some Fabuloso and water, and I'm going to wipe it down to make sure it's all nice and sparkly.
You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking by yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye. Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like.
Now that the robot has finished vacuuming for me, because that is so much easier, because we live in such a small space, it takes no time at all for it to vacuum, I am just going to Swiffer the rest of the floors.
Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
Alright guys, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and it got you some motivation to get up and get cleaning. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below letting me know what you think. Bye y'all.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue.